Showing on the screen is one of the withdrawal proofs that one of my guys sent to me concerning the bonus I am about to show you in this video. I promise you guys that I'll be dropping updates on how you can make money without having to deposit any money of your own for the next 30 days. And if this is your first time of coming across this channel, don't forget to like, share, and most importantly subscribe so that you won't miss out when I drop updates concerning how you can make money online in 2025 without having to use any money of your own. And in this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get a 100 US dollar no deposit bonus that you can start trading with. And a good thing about this bonus is that you can make withdrawals from it if you meet with their terms and conditions. As you can see, multiple withdrawal proofs on the screen. A lot of people have been able to get this bonus and have been able to make withdrawals from it. And towards the end of this video, I'll be telling you guys the terms and conditions attached to being able to withdraw from this bonus as well. So all you have to do is just to stick around to the end of this video so that you won't miss any details on how you can get this wonderful opportunity to your advantage. So let's dive into how you can get this 100 US dollar no deposit bonus. So the first step to take is to check the description. You're going to find the link there. Click on the link and it's going to direct you to my Telegram channel. Right in my Telegram channel is where you find the link to get access to where you're going to get this bonus. So click on the link and it's going to direct you to somewhere like this. So after clicking on the link, it is going to direct you right here where you have to install this particular app called Forex Trading Broker. Right, so install the app, and after installing the app, then you click on open right here. So you click on open right here and you wait for the app to open. Right. Alright, so this is the app right here. You can either allow them to send you notifications or not. So I'll allow them to send me notification, and as you can see right here, we have login and we have $100 bonus right here. Alright, so now watch me closely as I show you how you can get this bonus. So the first step to take after getting right here is to log in, and for you to log in you have to create an account. Alright, so just click on login right here and then click on register right here. Right here you need to input your first name, last name, your email address and your password, and agree to this time and then click on register. Alright, let me do this very quickly and get back to the video. So this is me after logging in to the app. This is me after creating an account with them. Alright, so after successfully logging into the app, alright, so the next thing for you to do is to click on this $100 bonus right here. Click on it and you wait for it to load. Alright, so as you can see right here, congratulations, you have received bonus trading for you have received a bonus for trading $10. Alright, don't worry about that, just click on continue and you can just give them any rating you want right here and then click on submit. Alright, so after this, as you can see right here, we have two accounts. We have our bonus account right here, as you can see, $100, and also we have another account which is demo account, $10,000 right here, and the $100 is right here. So you can switch in between the accounts to know the one you want to trade with. All right, so this is the demo right here, and here is the bonus account. So you can, this is the chart, you can trade different pairs on the broker. And as for the terms and conditions, I'll talk about the terms and conditions now. So you can only place trade using their app. You can't trade on MT5 or MT4. You can only trade using their app. And if you want to verify your account, you can verify your account right here. These are details for you to verify your account. So the terms and conditions for you to be able to make withdrawals on this platform is just for you to make 200% on your profit every week for 1 month, and after that you can make your withdrawals, and the withdrawal is $100. All right, so just make 200% profits on your initial capital every week for the next 1 month. That's when you'll be able to withdraw from this bonus, and a lot of people have been able to withdraw from it, just like I showed you withdrawal proof at the very start of the video. And I hope you're able to get this bonus. If you are new to this channel, don't forget I said I'll be going on a 30 days challenge where I'll be dropping videos on how you can make money online without having to deposit any money of your own for the next 30 days. So if you want to be a part of this, don't forget to like, share, and hit the subscription button so that you don't miss out when I drop updates concerning this. Thank you so very much for watching and have a nice day.